So I had a lot of fun trying to find some math games online, and one of the things I found that was provided for me was this website called Get the Math. And what's really cool is that they actually provide a lot of real-world examples of problems you can solve using math. For example, in music, they were trying to do things like how many beats per minute a certain excerpt of music had, and you want to mix it with another kind of music that have maybe a different beats per minute, and you had to try to sync them together, and you have to know a little bit of math to do that. Another one that I looked at that was pretty cool was the math in video games. You had this little rocket ship that you had to move from one end of the coordinate field to another, but in order to do that, you had to choose a coordinate to go to and provide the line equation to get there, and you had to do it in the least amount of moves to kind of be successful in the game. Another website I know about, and I'm sure a lot of people do, is coolmathgames.com. And in fact, this one's actually the one I like a lot. I played it quite a bit before. What's nice is that there's some building construction going on, and you actually have to account for some money that you have. And based on how much money you have to figure out how to make a bridge to carry these boxes across the crevasse there. So you have to click on this and design your bridge. And so if I start clicking on a board, the wood walk, I can click from here all the way across. And you'll notice that I can't go all the way across, so I actually have to go maybe halfway, stop, and then also make a connection from here to that joint, and it tells you how much money I'm using at the time and how much money I have left up here. And then once I create the bridge, then I go back and test to see if it works or not. So I'm going to test the bridge. He runs across, gets the box, and if the bridge doesn't break, he's successful and is going on to the next level. And if you don't use all your money, then that's a good thing, so you get a bonus. There are just two ways you can actually differentiate in the class. There's quite a few other websites that I listed on my blog that you can go to and do some other things. And they have quite a few different levels from kindergarten through high school. And so it's just up to the teacher to kind of decide how to use it to differentiate in their class for different students. And hopefully everybody has a piece of technology to be able to access them.